Kelly Barlow Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing to you my new favorite Dollar Tree find. This find is amazing and you are going to love this. And not only am I showing you my new favorite find, but I'm going to be doing a DIY with this new favorite find. So let's get to it and let me show you this new amazing fun item that the Dollar Tree just started carrying. For this Dollar Tree new favorite find, you can get everything you need for this project at the Dollar Tree. I picked up this red coffee mug, a glass, a mason jar, this bag of coffee, and these dishwasher safe decals. Alrighty, so I picked up a bunch of these really fun decals, as I'm sure a lot of you are going to start seeing in a bunch of hauls, but I thought it would be fun to do a DIY with them. And so that's what I'm bringing to you today. So with the red coffee mug, I thought it would be fun to take the "Shh, I'm on my coffee break" decal. And would you just look at how cute that is? I don't recommend using the bigger decal on the coffee mugs because you need a bigger, wider surface and it doesn't lay flat evenly. And so these smaller ones are perfect for that. If you want to put a decal on both sides of your mug, I would suggest getting 2 of these. Then using the mason jar and the larger decal, I thought that this decal would be perfect for the mason jar because it's a nice wider space and this fits nicely on there. I'm gonna add some fabric to the top. And look at what a cute stinking gift this would make. I love this. And how much did this cost? Under $5. Such a fun, cute gift to give for teachers for teacher appreciation, to give to a coworker, or just a fun, easy birthday gift. I love these new decals that the Dollar Tree is carrying. And you could just as easily use these glasses that the Dollar Tree also carries. You could do a set of 4 of these and give these as a housewarming gift. That's what I think I'm gonna do with my best friend Ashley, who just got her own place. I'm gonna make a set of 4 for her with all these cute, fun decals that the Dollar Tree is now carrying. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my new Dollar Tree favorite find using these dishwasher safe decals that you can personalize just about anything with. There are endless possibilities with these decals that Dollar Tree is now carrying. I love them, and this by far is one of my top 10 favorite finds at the Dollar Tree. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.